Hello everyone. Today I am discussing a case study, National Herald case. The purpose of this video is just for the sake of understanding the case and education oriented video, and I am not defaming any political party or any politician in this video. Let's start. Let us understand the parties involved in this case. The first person is Suman Dubey. He was a journalist and he was also associated with the India Today group, and he was also a press advisor to Mr. Rajiv Gandhi when Rajiv Gandhi was Prime Minister. And next person is Sam Pitroda. He is a businessman as well as telecom engineer. He is a Congress Party worker, and now he is chairman of Overseas Indian Congress Party. And Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi. These two people does not require any kind of introduction. And next person is Askar Fernandez. And next person Motilal Vora, ex-Chief Minister of Madhya Pradesh. And Indian National Congress Party. I think I don't need to explain about this party. And next company is AJL, Associated General Limited. And next company is Young Indian Limited, Section 25 company. Let's discuss about AJL. Associated General Limited is a public limited company which was incorporated in 1937. Jawaharlal Nehru was the brainchild of this National Herald newspaper. With the support of 5,000 freedom fighters, they incorporated this company. They started this company. And as on 29 December 2010, there were 1,057 shareholders in this company. And this company also owns real estate property worth 1,600 crores. But actual market value of this property comes around 5,000 crores. And this property does not belong to any family or any person. Actually, this property was given by central government and various state governments for the purpose of news printing activity. Our next company is Young Indian Company. This is a Section 25 company. Section 25 company is a company which is incorporated with the objective of social purpose, like eradication of illiteracy, poverty, or promotion of education, culture, sports, etc. And Section 25 and the Young India Company Limited was incorporated with the objective of propagating democracy and secularism. And the date of incorporation is 23rd November 2010. And founder members are these two persons, Suman Dubey and Sam Pitroda. Suman Dubey holds 550 shares and Sam Pitroda also holds 550 shares. And first meeting was held on 13 December 2010. And Mr. Rahul Gandhi was appointed as director in this company. At that point of time, he was not a shareholder. On the same day, Sam Pitroda and Suman Dubey transferred their shares. Suman Dubey transferred to Sonia Gandhi and Sam Pitroda transferred to Askar Fernandez. On 22nd January 2011, fresh issue of shares were made. And the issue price is rupees 100 itself. Face value is also 100 and issue price is also 100. And 1,900 shares issued to Mr. Rahul Gandhi, 1,350 to Sonia Gandhi, 600 shares to Motilal Vora, and Askar Fernandez received 50 shares. And as on 31st March 2011, son and mom holds 76% of shareholding. This much of shareholding is enough to make any decision in the company, and 75% is the required percentage of shareholding or voting which is required to pass special resolution. So these two persons hold 76% of shareholding. And the main transaction is this: Indian National Congress Party and AJL. These are the two parties. And AJL stopped its news printing activity in 2008. The reason is very simple: because of poor sales and as well as debt crisis made this company stop its activity. And Indian National Congress started funding this AJL Limited through loan, and over a period of time the loan amount reached 90 crore. And as per People Representation Act, Political party is not allowed to lend any kind of loan to any corporate entity. And this is an asset to Indian National Congress, and liability to AJL. And this asset is transferred on 28th December 2010 to Young India Limited. After this transfer, Young India Limited became the owner of this 90 crore. And in turn, Young India Limited paid 50 lakh as consideration for this 90 crore asset. Commercially, this is not making any kind of sense, but still the transaction happened. The difference between 90 crore and 50 lakh comes to 89.5 crore. This is actually an income to Young Indian company. And Young Indian company approached AJL for recovery, and AJL Limited issued 90 crore worth of its shares instead of repaying the loan amount. And the number of shares comes around 9.02 crore shares. And with this issue, Young India Limited became 99.9% shareholder in AJL. And all these transactions got completed in just 3 months. Let's look at the accounting perspective of Young India Limited. Let's go to Young India Limited. These are the entries should have been passed when the above transactions are happened. On receipt of 90 crore loan from Congress Party, loan receivable from AJL Limited should have been debited as asset, and Congress Party should have been debited as liability. And when they made payment to Congress Party, 90 crore loan got debited, 90 crore debited to Congress Party, and bank payment of 50 lakh, and this 89.5 crore should have been shown in P&L. So this 89.5 crore should reflect in my P&L. And on receipt of the shares, the 90 crore worth of shares should be shown in investment. So let's check whether this income is there and the investment is shown in balance sheet. I have downloaded balance sheet of Young India Limited. As per MCA regulation, P&L will not be given, but in director's report we have breakup of P&L, and it's matching with my deficit balance, which is shown in balance sheet, 69.77 lakh 949, and breakup also amounts to 69.78 lakh. This is rounding off difference 0.02. That's fine. When you look at the income side, it says only rupees 800 rupees. Where is this 89.5 crore? I don't know. God knows it. And let's check whether investment is there in the balance sheet. Go to investment. It says schedule number 4, and value of investment is 0. Let's go to note number 4. It says this much of shares in AJL Limited, and it says value is nil. And it says see note number 1 in schedule 7. Let's go to note number 1 in schedule 7. This is schedule 7 and note number 1. Just pause the video and read what is there in this paragraph. I will explain what is there in this paragraph. Here they are saying the objective of Young India Limited as well as AJL is same. So that's why they are treating this investment as application of funds, and the net worth of AJL Limited is negative. That's why they are showing value of investment as 0. But when you practically look at AJL Limited balance sheet, all the assets which it owns is actually shown in book value. When you revalue the value of real estate property, it comes around 5,000 crores. Obviously, the net worth of AJL Limited is not 0 or negative. It is much more positive. So obviously the net worth of this company is not negative, and the accounting treatment what is given in this balance sheet is not correct. This is what my opinion. Even other cases are also going on saying that this 90 crore asset is bogus transaction, and the case is pending in CIT appeals of Income Tax Department. And this transaction amounts to encroachment of public property. How? Let's see. HAL Limited owns 5,000 crore worth of real estate property, and now Young India Limited is 99% shareholder of this HAL Limited. So HAL Limited can be controlled by Young India Limited. Tomorrow, if Young India Limited wants to liquidate HAL, they can do it. If they want to change board of directors, they can do it. If they want to remove any board of directors, they can do it. They can do each and everything what they wish to do. They can do it. And who controls Young India Limited? Young India Limited is controlled by these two people because they hold 76% of shareholding. So literally they can make any kind of resolution in Young India Limited. Tomorrow, if these two people wants to convert Young India Limited into a normal company, from section 25 company to normal company, they can do it because there is no restriction in company law on conversion of section 25 company into a normal company. So after this conversion, they can liquidate all the assets in HAL, they can issue dividends to Young India Limited, and after that they can also issue dividends in Young India Limited, and they can take all the surplus into their home just by paying 1900 into 100 rupees, 1900 into 100 rupees. This is the number of shares and this is the face value of shares, and this much is paid by Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. Just by paying 380 rupees, now they are owners of 5,000 crore worth of real estate property of a public limited company. And this is purely a fraud case, and this amounts to illegality, and this is purely a case of public encroachment of public property. And we also need to understand, before going to next slide, these facts. From 2008, HAL stopped its publication of newspaper, and in 2010 and 11 employees were offered to take voluntary retirement. Not all the employees, some of the employees, and post to which properties of HAL were given on rent to third parties at market value. Who made this decision? Obviously, who made this decision? Obviously, Young India Limited. And who is behind Young India Limited? Rahul Gandhi and Sonia Gandhi. And all these transactions happened in 2010 and 11. And Mr. Subramanian Swamy in 2012 observed this transaction, and he approached Election Commission saying that Congress party should be derecognized because they have violated provisions of People Representation Act. Hence, illegal. Because of this violation, Congress party should be derecognized. But in turn, Election Commission said as this case involves income tax fraud, it's better to approach Finance Ministry. And Subramanian Swamy approached Finance Ministry and he filed a tax evasion petition. And he also approached a court. And he filed a private complaint alleging Sonia Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi are encroaching public property, and also filed a fraud case. And all these things happened in 2012. And in 2018, on 31st March 2018 midnight, Income Tax Department issued notice to Asker Fernandez at 11:22 p.m. and to Mr. Rahul Gandhi